Meaning of hindbrain.
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 Hindbrain. The hindbrain is a part of the brainstem that lies roughly at the base of the skull, consisting of the medulla oblongata, pons and cerebellum. It plays a vital role in controlling many basic life-sustaining activities such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion. The medulla oblongata regulates involuntary bodily functions such as swallowing and vomiting. The pons functions as a bridge connecting different parts of the brain, while the cerebellum coordinates balance, posture, and movement. Overall, the hindbrain plays an essential role in maintaining homeostasis and enabling coordinated movement of the body.